In this video, I'm just going to do a short introduction to the endocrine system. The endocrine system. The study of endocrine hormones and their effect on the body is something known as endocrinology. Endocrinology. The study of the endocrine system and the hormones that will affect our organs. Study of the hormones and their effects on the body. Okay, the endocrine system is our second control system that helps us maintain homeostasis. The first one we saw with the last section was the nervous system. And the nervous system differs from the endocrine system in a few different ways. But both are going to control the body and help us maintain homeostasis. Now, the nervous system does it using electrical signals. And truth be told, those electrical signals are in the form of local potentials, action potentials, and even incorporate neurotransmitters. We're going to see some of those same chemicals, those neurotransmitters, in the endocrine system. But though the nervous system uses some chemicals when it produces an electrical, that is a chemical synapse, the nervous system is using neurons that produce these signals and then send them along axons and dendrites, or nerves or tracts, to reach the target cells. Now, in the endocrine system, we're just looking at hormones. Hormones are long-distance signaling molecules, basically chemicals. This is going to be chemical signals in the form of hormones produced by endocrine cells. That travel through the blood. Anywhere the blood goes, the endocrine system can reach. And what this means is the endocrine system has very diffuse reach. Or we can call it systemic. It reaches throughout the body. Whereas nervous control is highly localized to wherever that synapse or that nerve reaches. Localized. It's not system-wide, it's in a discrete area or place that these signals are reaching. Now, because the nervous system uses electrical signals, the nervous system accomplishes its effects very quickly or fast. And because the endocrine system relies on the diffusion of and the flow of blood, these are much slower signals. But with that electrical current versus chemicals comes short-acting effects. Contract the biceps brachii now, and then it's over. Or jump out of the way of that car now, and then it's over. And a new stimulus needs to, or a new impulse needs to occur. Whereas the endocrine system, because it's chemicals, because they're diffusing, because it's using the bloodstream, because it's slow, to undo that action also takes time for these chemicals to degrade or be swept away by the lymphatics or the blood, to get into the urine or the feces and be excreted from the body. So these have more lasting effects or longer effects. Okay. Now, the nervous system is the dominant system. The nervous system will override the endocrine system in an emergency. This is what's going to help you jump out of the way of some kind of a threat. But for our everyday, month, year coordination of many body activities, including reproduction, development, electrolyte balance, water balance, nutrient balance, cellular metabolism, and regulating energy, growing, and even activating the immune system over long spans of time. This one is going to silently be working in the background. So this one has longer lasting effects, which are a little bit more subtle and basic maintenance effects. Whereas the nervous system is our moment to moment responses and control of homeostasis. And these are two important differences between the two systems that we're going to go on. We now kind of have some understanding of how the nervous system influences an organ system that a human needs to survive. But now we're going to learn about how the endocrine system has its influences on those organ systems.